India.
Jylla ke Kenhun Menteri Hinin Kesni Kelekran bat ajeng Mynjur halor ke Terua ban Pynkylla Kyrteng ya ke Lady Hydari Park saka Phan Nonglait Park. Jylla ke Mynjur ru bantau ki kam ki jam na banta ke Shillong Public Higher Secondary School. Haga juk opor ke Mynjur habede bat ke thau ki kam ki jam haga state NSS cell kumbala batha da ke Sorkar India. Kiwe kirai ki kentup ru banwan rai ke Pynkylla haga Pynkylla State Food Commission rules arhajar KHASI naga banta ke samoy jong ke office chairman kat kum ke jingdon kap kum ki kendon haga kerdan jong keri ke jing kete yo ke cash grant sa kinong yo khusnam galantry bat kiwe kinong job ya ki khusnam bapau jong kat sipai rengkau sipai duriau bat sipai lingsun jong ke Jylla nalor ke Pynkylla State Wak board rules arhajar arpulai bat ke Pynkylla State Policy on Construction and Demolition Waste arhajar arpway.
Aware that it was upgraded to a higher secondary school, but there were not enough teaching staff there for that, and hence that those particular posts for the higher secondary school were created, and today that was cleared by the cabinet. The second proposal was for the creation of posts in the state NSS cell. This is something that is mandated by the government of India, and this board was supposed to come out quite some time back. We have amended some rules in the Meghalaya State Food Commission rules in terms of the period of time of the chairman. So that was in accordance with the rules that have been laid on at the national level.
Menteri Rang Ba ke Jylla konrat ke sang